Lightfair is, one of my passions, and I came to the first Lightfair.
Wash and wear lighting. Where else are you going to see that but in lighting?
As a matter of fact, this particular show, we have over 100 new international exhibitors, which we're real proud.
Hello, and welcome to the Javits Convention Center in New York, the scene of Lightfair International 2003, the world's largest architectural and commercial lighting design trade show and conference. I'm your host, Liz McCraw. Now in its 14th year, Lightfair International is truly a global event with over 19,000 architectural, engineering, design, and end-user professionals from all over the world. Lightfair International 2003 is the show for lighting industry professionals. It's where the world of lighting design come together. It's about the trends, the products, and the applications that affect the way we see, work, and live in our daily lives. And this year's event has proven to be bigger and better than ever. Lightfair 2003 features a host of new products, programs, and events from over 500 domestic and international leading-edge exhibitors.
Architectural and commercial lighting trade show and conference.
What we want you to have is a chance to see what's happening here at Lightfair so that you can see everything that is going on in the lighting industry, because this is where everything starts, okay? Come on. I would like you to meet Joseph Bianco. He is with E-Tray Lighting. He has been showing at Lightfair for many years. We're very glad to have him back. There are two very exciting new fixtures that he's showing us today that I think are particularly exciting. One of them is this amazing red glass fixture in the back. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, this is a hand-blown glass.
Hand-blown glass.
And basically at the beginning it comes in white glass. Then a groove is applied by hand all through the fixtures.
And this is done by hand.
Yes, completely.
Right here. It is an absolutely beautiful fixture.
Thank you.
What we've been seeing throughout the show is people design-wise are looking again at designs from the 50s and the 60s and bringing in new designs that are very evocative of that era. And I feel that this is one of those fixtures that is an excellent example of that.
Thank you.
This one is using fiber optics. So we don't see fiber optics being used so much in decorative fixtures, so it's very exciting to see one of them happening right here. What you can see, the sparkle that's coming through the fiber optics, what they've done is they've actually broken the fiber optics, so we have little refractions of light that are occurring as it goes down the piece, which I think is very exciting. The other thing that you could do if you wanted to is you could put a colored lens in there, so if you wanted the picture to appear red or blue or yellow, you could do that by putting that lens in between the light source and the fiber optics. How exciting is this? This is what I would call wash and wear lighting, designed by Camilla Dietrich. They are one-of-a-kind pieces. She makes each of these individually, but she's kind of made it for the homeowner, because what you can do is you can untie it, take this off, and wash it yourself. Then you can put it back on again, and it's good to go. Wash and wear lighting. Where else are you going to see that but at Lightfair? Hi, we're back at Lightfair, and we're showing another booth here. This is Ameco, a company that's showing for the first time here, showing some really wonderful Scandinavian designs. This particular design here was originally made in 1956 and has been reissued. Absolutely terrific. Again, we're talking about the cloth that we're seeing being reused. And then if we look over on this side, we've got blown Murano glass fixtures. Absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, that whole idea of this mid-century modern is really coming back. And we can see this now not only in hanging fixtures and in floor lamps, but also in reading lights like this one right here. We're at the FAD lighting booth, and we're looking at some of the outside fixtures that they are now showing. And what's interesting, as you can see, that mid-century modern feel is being carried outside, so that now the outside envelope of the house is becoming part of the decorative element as well.
Lightfair International,